So friends, as you can see, today once again I have rescued this beautiful green keelback snake from a construction site nearby my house. Look at this guy. Hey man. But you know, the people who were digging, in the process of digging, they hurt this snake a little bit. I'll try to show you the injury that he has. I don't know if you can see. I'm sorry. Can you see that? Hey, 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 hey! This guy just wants to come out. So I'll try to treat him and release him in the nature, and I'll keep you posted.